Hey guys, so the next option that we are going to look at is rfind. As opposed to find, which we have seen in my earlier videos, it checks for the first occurrence. The find method, which we earlier saw, search for the first occurrence of a particular substring. However, rfind method searches for the starting index of a last occurrence of a specified substring. Yeah. And if it is within the original string. Now, unlike R index, which we will see in the next video, which raises an exception if the substring is not present, this method returns -1. Yeah. So if this particular method is run, then the entire string from the 0th index to the nth index, it searches for that substring. Yeah. Or it will search for a substring from the index, ith index to the jth index, where I is less than j. Okay. Let's see the syntax. It is similar to find. Yeah. The only difference, as I said earlier, you need to remember that find searches for the first occurrence and rfind searches for the last occurrence of this particular substring. Yeah. So the syntax is string dot rfind. Yes. You have the substring. Then you have the start, comma, end, which is an integer. Yeah. So start and end both are integers, which are the starting index, which is by default 0, and the end, which is the end index, which is by default, if not given, consider the length of the string. Yeah. Let's start with an example. Yeah. So when we pass a substring of the original string as a parameter to the method, the return value will be the index of the substring in the string. Yeah. So you need to remember this. So let me use the previous examples for find. So we'll use this. And we'll just change the section to rfind. So instead of find, you have rfind. So I'm trying to search for 2. Rather than 2, what I'll do is I'll find some common parameters which are there in both this A and A. I C S, no. Yes, okay. Welcomes to iScan analyze. I'm just making something so that I can show you this example. Yeah. So I have ES as the occurrence in welcomes, as well as I have the ES occurrence in iScan analyze, which is here. Yeah. Usually, if I give find, it will give me the first occurrence. So let me use find as well. Substring is found by rfind. Yes. Method. And this is found by find method. Yeah. Let's see both the outputs. You will understand automatically. You can see this. The first occurrence of ES was found at 6 if I use the find method, which is here. But since we are using rfind, it finds the last occurrence. So it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and this is the 14th index where I am able to find the ES, which is the last occurrence of the. If I had ES here as well, I can analyze this. It will give me 26th index, 25th index. Yes. So this is how rfind works. It tries to find out the last occurrence of a particular index. Yeah. So this particular string, we have ES as where we were able to find the last occurrence. Yeah, which was at 14th index. Yeah. Uh, Another thing that you need to understand is if I do not have a particular substring, it will give me the output as -1. So when we pass a substring that is not part of the original string, yes, it will give me the output as -1. So let me put the out. Let me search for Python in this particular string as substring. Since it was not able to find this particular substring, it gives the output as -1. Yeah. Now let's have this optional parameters passed. So if we pass the optional parameters to the method determining the range of the search, the method will return the occurrence of the string within that range only. Yeah. So let me use the same example which we had used earlier for find using the parameters. Okay, I'll use this string method. So what I'm doing is I'm searching for not space, I'll say eyes. Yeah. And I want to search it from 9 to the length of the string. So it will start searching from ninth index. Yeah. See this? So it is automatically telling me from the ninth index, it is available at the 11th index. Yeah. Let me again put something beyond 11. So let me put here as 13. Let's see what is the output. It is giving me -1 because from 13th index, I am not able to find this substring. Whereas from 9th index, I am able to find the substring. Yes, so it is giving me the index number based on the range from where I start searching for it. Yeah. Now, if we pass the optional parameters to the method determining the range of the search and the substring is not present, yeah, in the given range, the method will return -1 as I have shown you earlier. So let me write this example once again for your pursuit so that you understand separately. So what I'm doing is I'm using the same example. Since we were able to find eyes at 11th index, we'll use the start index as 14th index, wherein I will not be able to find this substring. So it will give me the output as -1. Just hold on. Have I done anything wrong here? No, it is right. Let me run this once again. Yeah, it's right. See this? So index where the substring is available is -1. Okay. So this is how you use rfind. Yeah. In the next video, we'll check for R index, which is again similar to rfind, but it does not have an exceptional handler, which we have in the case of rfind. Yeah. So see you in the next video. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment with your views or any suggestions that you have on this particular topic. Do subscribe to my channel, yes, to get such more informative videos directly to your inbox. Yeah, thank you so much.